Good morning, students, everyone. Today I am going to explain chemical equilibrium. Mainly in chemical equilibrium, we learn types of reactions and types of equilibrium. Why the equilibrium? In the equilibrium, what is the process will happen? And this in this topic, in chemical equilibrium, in NEET compulsory two questions, which means that 8 marks will compulsory in this topic. 8 marks compulsory they ask in the NEET exam, and JEE exam one question must, and that question 4 marks compulsory they ask in this chapter. The very important, because of in the topic compulsory calculation question will gives ask in that question, that is should be in NEET two questions, in the IIT JEE that is one question. The 8 marks in the NEET, 4 marks in JEE. Now in the topic first we learn types of reactions. We know the reactions are irreversible reactions and reversible reactions. The first one, irreversible reactions. The reactions which cannot reverse, these are unidirectional reactions, only one direction, that is unidirectional reactions. Now example vapor vaporization of water, evaporation of water, and thermal decomposition of reactions. Second one is thermal decomposition of reactions. If we see the example, that is 2KClO3, it changed to 2KCl plus 3O2. Now one more decomposition, calcium carbonate changed into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. And also third one is precipitation reactions. There is a precipitation reaction, that is AgNO3 plus NaCl to form AgCl. It is a PPT, precipitation, and NaNO3 will form. Next one is, and that one, if we see H2SO4 plus BaCl2 will form BaSO4 is PPT, and 2 moles of HCl, that is the aqueous solution. And also fourth one is neutralization reactions, means strong acid versus strong base to form salt and water. And also some combustion reaction like magnesium plus oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Also now magnesium plus to form Mg2N2. This is also, and some other reaction, that is H2 plus F2 to form 2HF. These are the reactions are irreversible. They are only one directions. And reversible reactions, the reaction which can reverse, means both forward direction and backward direction. The next one is reversible reactions. It is a bidirectional reactions also. These reaction we can call as bidirectional, bidirectional reactions also. We can call as bidirectional reactions also. In this reaction, the reactant change to product, and product change to reactant, means forward direction is present and backward direction also present. Now in these types of reaction we'll discuss in the chapter. Because of these reactions they attain the equilibrium, rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction, nothing but equilibrium. Rate of forward direction always equal to rate of backward direction, nothing but we can call as equilibrium. In the chemical reactions we can call as chemical equilibrium. Now examples are I2 plus H2, I2 gives rise to 2HI, 2HI. Next one, PCl5 changed into the bidirectional, PCl3 plus Cl2. Next one, 2NO2 changed into 2NO plus O2. That is one more example, H2 plus 3N2 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3, formation of ammonia. Now N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO, and also 2SO2 plus O2 gives rise to 2SO3. These are the reactions are all are reversible reactions, and also these reversible reactions must to be, they happen, the process will be happen in the closed vessel only, and particular temperature they must be maintained, and also the concentration of the reactant is always decrease, while concentration of product will be increase after some time. But after some time there is no change in the concentration of the reactant and product. This is the stage, the system we can call as equilibrium. Means at equilibrium state the rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction. Rate of forward direction is equal to rate of backward direction. This is nothing but equilibrium. Now next concept, that is equilibrium. In physical process, now examples are solid to liquid. It is like melt or fusion. Second one, solid to vapor. It is sublimation. Next one, alpha sulfur changed into beta sulfur. These are the physical equilibrium, means same chemical formula but change in physical state. Now examples of physical equilibrium, that is ice changed into water, and water liquid changed into water vapors, and NH4Cl is a solid changed to NH4Cl is a vapor, and camphor solid to camphor vapor, I solid to I2 vapor. These are the examples physical equilibrium. We can see in this process the formula will not change, it is a formula will same, the physical state will be changed. Physical state will be this is, it is L liquid, same formula will be not change, but change in physical state only. This is called as physical process or physical equilibrium. Same chemical formula but change in the physical state is called as equilibrium, physical equilibrium, and in the